Sobrang active ni Kang Hanyul sa K-Dramalandia. Nakalimutan ko na dati nakilala as someone na magaling umarte sa pelikula kasi I wanted to recommend some of his movies. 20, eto naman anto, kung naghanap ka ng movie na youthful vibe about 20 and then finding your career path, your meaning in life, then ito yung movie na yun. Puro tawa pero may lesson and may meaning yung kwento. The Portrait of a Poet. Tungkol to sa dalawang Korean na nag-aaral sa Japan and pagbibintangan si Kang Hanyul dito as anti-Japanese. Pero medyo dull yung atake ng movie na to. Parang black and white nga yun eh. Tapos sobrang lungkot niya for me kasi it's based on real events and hindi maganda yung naging takbo ng buhay niya. Ang dami nilang hardship. Retrial. It's also based on real life events. Pagbibintangan si Kang Hanyul dito sa isang krimen na hindi naman niya ginawa and makukulong siya dito tapos masisira yung future niya. Tapos years later, itong attorney na to, tutulungan siya para i-prove na hindi naman talaga siya yung suspect. It's about achieving justice and medyo tearjerky yung last part nito, especially nung nakamita niya yung stisyang matagal na niyang hinahangat. Midnight Runner, isa to sa mga favorite Korean movie ko. Kasi although comedy yung style ng movie, very relevant yung issue na tinalakay nila dito. And for me, sobrang cute nung chemistry ni Park Seo-joon at ni Kang Hanyul dito. Talagang nag-swak. Like, ramdam ko yung brotherhood nila. Tapos talagang literal na takbo sila ng takbo sa movie na to. At then, another favorite movie ko ni Kang Hanyul. Sobrang galing niya dito. Alam mo yung kung gusto, alam mo, hindi ka fan ni Kang Hanyul, tapos gusto mo ng something na magbupush sa'yo para i-stan siya, ito na yun. Kasi sobrang galing niya dito. Grabe yung acting niya, iba't ibang emosyon, iba't ibang Kang Hanyul may kita mo sa movie na to. Ito naman, Waiting for the Rain. It's giving me Something in the Rain ni Son Ye-jin. Very light, parang slice of life yung concept nung story, pero malungkot din. Tapos bet ko yung pag-aesthetic nung style nung movie. Like, it's giving me that Japanese movie, 100 Million Yen Girl. Parang ganung vibe, very aesthetic. Well, last is The Pirates. And for me talaga, Kang Hanyul's forte is comedy. Like, sobrang dami niyang kayang gawin, pero he never failed you kung comedy ang usapan. And for me kasi itong movie na to, medyo nag-struggle siya in terms of plot, pero itong si Kang Hanyul, nadala niya yung execution through comedy. Sobrang laugh trip kasi niya, kaya for me kaya siya sumikat. And also because they have the good chemistry ni Han Yeojun. So yun lang, Kang Hanyul should be stand and be known kasi sobrang galing niya.